Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. And this video I'm going to discuss about my Google Sheet, which we are going to use for our advanced option strategy. And those who are my student who attend my classes, and this video for you, and those who are want to learn more about, so you can also watch this video. I'm going to discuss most important update on our Google Sheet. That is what a weekly update. Last week we are discussing about the sheet mostly initial on the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We have a lot of opportunities in call side, and finally we triggered some opportunities in put side that we got it on a lot of stocks, and especially on a Friday. Due to that gap down opening in the markets, we find a lot of put options giving you such a big opportunity. But on weekly trend, so we got it, and initially we have a lot of stocks triggers our target also. In intraday, how we can effectively do that intraday system by using our Google Sheet, that is also we already discussed. And if you want to take more details about this particular Google Sheet, how to use it, the website, in my website, that link also provided how to use the Google Sheet and how we can access. That cost is around 97 rupees on this sheet, not sheet, it's about the course and how to use that. It's a video tutorial. Okay, I'm not giving you free, and because if I given you free, a lot of people who are registered and they don't use it. That's why I'm not giving you free. But if you're really interested, at least you have eligibility to spend as 97 rupees or 100 rupees to learn something, then you are interested, and you can access the Google Sheet. It's about 1200 per month. If you wish really interested to take that Google Sheet, you just contact me back, and that content is for how to use it. Okay, so even you can use your different ideas, logics that you know, that you can easily follow. But as we have some conditions, and this is what a last week. So look at this Ambuja Cement, Voltas, BPCL, IRCTC, IDFC. But IDFC is not a yesterday's trade. That means not a Friday's trade. We find out IDFC that was given you such opportunity 3 days back, and that day we are suggesting you the option in our live session. It's about 105 put option, because that 109 is not liquid. I will show you that IDFC First Bank, right? It's about the strike price is 109. Sorry, it's not IDFC First Bank. It's about IDFC. So 109, and finally it is 98, and we find out the option is around 105 put option. So maybe around 3 rupees, 15,000 lot size. That was a huge benefit. Initially the stock is moving higher. One point of the time it forming a shooting star and then reversed back. So that is why we are always focusing the shooting star on the top level and hammer at the bottom. So a lot of stocks, I think in my Wednesday's videos, if you are looking at most of the stocks in a call side, almost some 15 to 17 stock that triggers our target. And here on this Friday, so we find out this much of stocks. Look at this, how many stocks which is triggered. But if you are tracking that, it was generating you such a big opportunity, and one or two trades which is really triggers on intraday basis, not on positional, because the weekly sheet every week is going to update. So one important thing, so about the sheet, how to use it, and I just tell you uh, how I'm going to use it. So there is a two types of sheet which is available here. One is a weekly positional sheet and monthly positional. So the update for a monthly positional, first day of every month. So the sheet is going to uh, updated every month first with the strike price, entry price, and this change percentage. So only with not about the sheet is not about to providing you any tips or buy sell signals. It's about an analytic tool, or it is about a screener tool or a scanner tool that we can use. And if the stock having in the scanner list, so we can use any of your strategy. But I am using my advanced option strategy edging basis, that I can use it, or even I can use for my naked strategies also. But if you want to the sheet, access the sheet for a 1 month, 1200, I'm charging it for. Okay. If you are accessing that content, how to use it, that fees will be debited. Okay. So weekly sheet, every week is going to update weekly basis. So Monday, every Monday. So the weekly sheet is going to update every Monday. So we can find out newer opportunities Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So maybe a good opportunities, and we can wait up to Friday. So if you find any opportunity Thursday and Fridays, so maybe you can focus intraday basis. Even you can carry the position for next week for to make a profit on positional basis. If the stock which is showing you the direction on positional basis on this monthly side also, the same one which is giving you the entry point, what exactly if a call side in monthly and you got a call side in weekly also, you can keep carrying. But mostly the weekly trade is about to take one or two position. I'm not trying to take all the stocks which is triggered by the sheet. I just want to focus one or two stocks is quite good enough to make weekly two trades or three trades. So only quality and good stocks and liquid stocks is good enough. Easily we can find out. In the last week, we are finding a lot of opportunities in the beginning. It's about mostly in the options in call side. But Thursday and Friday only, we got a put side. Maybe if you are taken a put side, that is also given you the opportunity. And again, the sheet is going to be updated on next Monday. Likewise. So today it's whatever the data which you are seeing you here right now, it's about last week data. That is what 19th to 23rd, I think. Yeah, 19th to 23rd. Now the sheet is going to be updated for 26 to 30th, 26 to 29 or 30th. Okay, so that is what up to 30th Friday. Maximum the sheet will be available for next week because this is what a current month contract, June contract, and 29th is expiry, and Friday you will be getting July contract. Okay, and the only one day for this weekly performance, only that may be an intraday purpose. Okay, so this much of stocks. From that, Havels, Bandhan Bank, IDFC, and even IRCTC and Hindu Hotel. So these are all the triggers which given you 25 to 30% from our entry. So look at this Z Entertainment 187 not triggered yesterday. So that means Friday. Z 177.5, not 177, 187. Okay. Look at the ZEAL 187.5 put option. We are tracking them by about 9.5. So look at this. This is a daily time frame, and 9.5 when it is triggered on uh, 20th of June. That means the trade got triggered on Tuesday, input side. After that, it went up to 13, from 9 to 13. So almost here at the closing price is now on the Z Entertainment is 12.7. That is around 33%, but it is not triggered our target on weekly time frame. So monthly, that is different. Monthly is about last month, how many stocks we got at entry for a call sale. Look at this. Still we have 30 stocks plus, but meanwhile around 15th to 20th of this month, we have more stocks. Put side is very less number of stocks, but recently we triggered some stocks in put side like IAX, Voltas, Vibro, Kotak Bank, Z Entertainment monthly, 37%, Coal India, SBIN are monthly triggers, which is given. But now we are in the physical delivery period, but as of this sheet is going to be updated, whatever the performance which is given in this weekly sheet about last week. Okay, so the next week the sheet is going to be updated. So how to use the sheet, and I'm going to talk about it. Now before that I am going to update the sheet, and then there is no changes for a monthly sheet. Monthly sheet is going to updated on first of this July only. I think first of July is holiday. Maybe the sheet is going to available from 3rd of July because that is what the first day of July contract. So 30th next two holidays, and third is a starting day. So the sheet is going to be monthly sheet is going to be updated on 3rd of May. So now the weekly sheet. So already a lot of trades which is triggers in call side and put side. Daily I am updating it. So no problem if you are not seen, and videos you will be getting daily updates. These most of the puts which is triggered IRCTC 670 put option. That should be IRCTC 670 put option. Maybe it's triggered by yesterday opening itself. Look at this. Maybe our entry point, it's about a gap of at 915 to 33 to 37. Our entry point and IRCTC is around 30. It was a gap up. Maybe previous day 29.7. Previous day it not triggered. Today is a gap up. It not providing the entry opportunity. Then it went up to gap higher and it is generated the profit. Okay. So a lot of stocks that will we are updating on that on our shorts videos too. So here now I'm in real time. I'll go to update for the next week. So whatever the stocks, and after this update, I will tell you how to manage some trades, but most probably we are not taken any trades on next week because expiry week and time decay would be very fast and liquidity also be quite low. So most of the stocks may not be liquid because the retail people and not traded because of physical delivery. The sheet is going to be updated on real time, and now I'm just started updating the sheet right now for next month contract. That means weekly basis, not the next month, weekly, next week. And after the update I will give you some clue so how to trade it. And the sheet is going to be changed. Weekly sheet, all the entries will be removed. Okay, so all the entries will be removed on weekly. Monthly data would only available as such, but weekly data is completely changed. Okay, so but the data which is available on my video itself, if you want to back test, all the data would be available on video. So now the next week the new sheet will be updated. Once the new sheet will be updated, then we can focus for entry opportunity on next week also. But if you really want to take a trade, I will give you some idea how you can try. But mostly most probably as per my student and advanced option strategy student, they don't take any new position based on that. Okay, now it's updating. Yeah, you can see, I think Navin fluoride, it was showing you higher, and PEL, it is also showing higher due to that closing prices. PEL, what is the last closing price? And maybe some opportunity. PEL 888. Okay, I think some update issue. It's a 779, but that premium is 889. That should be the strike price. I think 889 PEL call. And maybe that one should be changed. Okay, that is closing price is 13, so we can update that, so no problem. So this is what I update as of now because of this missed strike price it's selected, so that's why. Okay, so that we can change it to no problem. Okay, okay, I hope you understood that sheet is updated. And Navin fluoride may be previous close and compared to that Navin fluoride, so the previous close 4450. That's right. So only the strike price which is vary is about PEL. So we can change the strike price to, once it is updated, then the sheet will be automatically updated. Let me go for the PEL where I can find out PEL. PEL is for my positional opportunity. The strike price is some misunderstanding, or strike price is calculated mistakenly. The strike price which we are following is around 889, but it mentioned is around say 779. 889 should be the strike price which I want to go for following PEL. So I'm going to just searching for that update. Wait, I got it. Then I will go to update that. Okay, after this update, so it will be automatically changed, no problem at all. So because it's about a data feed, so we have to do the data feed works, and if you get that works completed, we will be finding out the stocks list and other thing. PL 789, only the premium that we have to calculate. What is the exact premium of PL? PL, we have updated, I think. So let me try again once again, and let me do it. So once we done this, and that would be a better opportunity we can go and use for this data, and that will give you better opportunity. Only that one is the issue on PAL data. Okay, remaining are same, and now exactly the data feed is changed, and we are going to update this data feed. Once that completed, you will be getting what are the stocks which I'm going to focus for next week. Okay, but next week, if you are going to take a trade, it's nearby a physical delivery week. So you have to require higher margin first of all. So for example, any stock which you are going to take, but if you are compulsorily want to take any trade opportunities, I given you some idea. So what you can go for example, I will given you with the example. So let me go for a PEL 889. As the strike price is currently 13.5, and if you are going to check the PEL price, if you find any new entry, so the current closing price is somewhere around 890. Okay, so if it is goes to 900, maybe the chances to get a signal in our positional options. Okay, that time what we can go, so the nearest OTM option, near OTM, if you want to take, but as per our advanced strategy, no entry. So we are going to leave that 3 days left. No entry by advanced option strategy. So we are not going to focus any new opportunities on next week. But if you want to focus for an intraday nearby OTM, for example, if it is 900 means you can go for a 910 call option or 905 call option, which is nearest to strike price available. And that strike price you can go for, then you can get some opportunity on positional basis. Now the sheet is updated, maybe the PEL data would be updated. Now the PEL is not available here because of issue. So let me go for, sorry, that print, not a print, Control F. I'm just going to find, just we go for, directly we can get the data. Oh, yeah, Control F, PEL, that should be a 70. Yeah, here you can see here 889, 36, 13.8 should be the entry price. EL where it is 36. Yeah, 36 entry, current prime premium which is traded 13.8. In call side premium on PEL some issue, internet issue. Okay, I hope you understood only the near OTM options. As per our advanced option strategy, we are not going to focus any stocks. But if you find any stocks looking for 889, it is about 26 is our entry point. And here the put option and call option should be near about 36. That is what our entry point which we are going to try to focus. Okay, but unfortunately, we are not getting new entry. So if you get in the top list, and if it is entry triggered, we are not going to, this is what ITM options. Okay, as of now it is ATM. When it is entry triggered, that should be become ITM options. Simply avoid that next week only. So from after this expiry, we can make use of it. I hope you understood about the concept how we are using the sheet. And if you want to try, so only OTM option is the best option, or if you are ready to make a huge margin, so you can also try this ATM option. Thank you for watching, and this may be a useful video. Thank you so much. We'll meet you on Monday live session. Keep stay. Thank you.